Hi, my name is Chris Carr with Reflections Window Washing. I am the owner and operator. We rappel off your tallest buildings in your city or area, and we go from those big jobs, those big buildings, all the way down to your small storefront, small houses. We have kind of taken the approach of, if there's a problem and we have a solution, let's do it, let's solve it. So we have the skill set and the resources to rappel off of these large buildings and get these services done. And that was something that came as a request from one of our customers, that we were only able to get up 3-4 stories and get their exterior cleaning done. And they wanted somebody that could do higher. And the only other options were somebody from Pittsburgh or somebody from Philly coming in and then charging a big travel charge to get their crew here, hotel nights to get the work done. And so that inspired us. The only other option is a crane from the other side of the building, lowering somebody in a basket down in order to get the work done, which costs an exuberant amount of money. So we were able to come in with our skill set and our resources and access those areas that need that exterior maintenance quickly, efficiently, and at a cost that really just makes sense for the customer. Really what it came down to was switching our motivation as a business from money to just serving and adding value to people. I've done a lot of research in the form of having jobs and working for other businesses, and understanding that if your motivation as a business is money, you will succeed in the short term, but you'll fail in the long term. And that's one of the reasons why, within 3 to 5 years, most businesses will fail, is because that motivation for money either gets to a point where they become complacent and the quality goes down, or it doesn't get to that point and their reputation is injured and people don't want to use them. So when we hire somebody that doesn't have much experience rappelling, we send them to Wisconsin to a company that trains them and gives them hands-on experience in the field, rappelling off a building safely under the direction of an expert who's been in it for 40 plus years. And that allows them to be confident that they're going to be safe with this experience backing that training.
So I am Chris Carr with Reflections Window Washing. The best place to reach us is on Google, and we will be happy to serve you.